How did it handle to a Porsche?
It doesn't handle anywhere near as like a Porsche, but on the straightaways, I could just drop it down, leave them.
Did you scare any left lane Autobahn drivers? Come up behind them?
That's only basically England. Yeah, all of the rest of Europe is pretty much the same as the U.S. Yeah, I took out a Ferrari Medina with this when I was there.
Really?
Yeah. Ferrari Medina is just all
straight away?
Yeah. And they're fragile. Did you have the lights?
Yeah, I bought a total Cobra. That's what I got. I pulled the motor out of, constructed it up.
Nice.
The Cobra lights were on the bottom of the Cobra.
Yeah.
That's cool right there.
I think so.
A little bit of a unique look. That's what you want to keep.
And then this is the 0304 Mach 1. Yeah, it's a blue dark, from that. Gave it a little bit more drop.
Yeah, size.
What kind of horsepower do you use?
This one's running 430. Race all the time, maybe truck. I'd rather go with the guys that go down to the track and actually race where they're allowed.
Sure. Is there one of those, what do they call it? Is there a road race track around here?
Supposedly there's a drag strip, desert sands or something like that. Yeah, there's supposed to be a track right here in El Paso those called
Thunder Alley
Desert Sands or something.
Hey, Desert Demons is a drag race?
Desert Demons.
Thunder Alley. Desert Demons.
Take a look at this.
It's an airstrip. It's pretty good.
See his brake and his shift stick?
It's kind of sketchy, but that's the big thing. Everyone all
Okay.
goes out.
See his speedos over here?
Now these two guys are here.
He's upgraded the engine to a Snake
Cobra.
See his gas tank over here?
What?
I think so, yeah.
Play it, see if you got it.
Oh, I was gonna.